Hi there. Have you ever wondered how you can find PE-backed companies at scale? The reason why you would like to work with them is simply because of the fact that they're most of the time profitable. They have a stagnant growth, and for that reason, you might be able to land on a high quality client. Now, in order to find PE-backed companies, normally you need to research a lot simply because of the fact that you need to know whether they receive a funding from a PE-backed company or whether they got acquired by a PE-backed company, etc., etc. How we simplify that in Signalbase is thanks to the fact that we have an investor database, and right now we're still filling up absolutely everything around it. But later down the line, we're going to scrape the entire website. Thus, we will know and showcase each one of these brands. But for now, here is how you can find PE-backed companies at scale. First thing first, select the type of VC that you need or investor. In this case, as we mentioned, we go for PE fund. And then all you need to do, if you don't want to push this with a simple webhook, is just download it as CSV. So let's just move you guys here. We want the 50 companies that are there. Perfect. Preparing to download. And now we have a zip file. Okay, now we go to Clay, open a new workbook, and type CSV in the column in order to receive our CSV. There you go. Now we upload it. It's being uploaded. And from here, we want to add it to the current table with comma. Yes, okay. And we need to add here website, LinkedIn URL, countries, name. I think all of this is very much needed. Sorry. Then we add it and we run it to the tables, and as you can see, guys, the information is being imported. Perfect. Okay, now that we have all of this, I needed to build an investor interactions client, which what it ultimately did, it helped me to understand whether they have recently invested or whether they have recently acquired a brand new company that goes into there. Whenever we have a result, it's going to be displayed. And now from here, I'm building a further automation in order to discover the head of product listed within those companies. And just like that, what you already have is a very solid flow on which you can later build agents. And I'll showcase what I mean in a bit. Just like what I used to do with the acquisition video that we created, what happened here is the following. You get the webhook, you have all of the tech stack, which later you can also add to the P fund firms. And then from here, you can layer multiple other qualification criteria for you to understand whether there is a fit for each one of these accounts. And once you're ready, you simply need to create a AI-driven message and start spreading it. I hope that was helpful, guys. Let me know what you think.